Never use silicone as the primary seal between a toilet and the flange. It hides leaks and traps moisture. When installing a toilet, the correct approach is to seat the toilet on a wax ring or an approved wax-free foam gasket that compresses to form a water and gas-tight seal with the flange and the toilet horn. Tighten the closet bolts evenly and only until the bowl is snug and level. Over-tightening can crack porcelain, and under-tightening allows movement that breaks the seal. Use grout around the base only if the flange is recessed and you need lateral stability on tile. Apply a thin bead of silicone or latex caulk at the outer joint over the grout or floor to stop surface water from migrating under the toilet, but never between the toilet and flange. If the floor is uneven, shim with non-compressible plastic shims under the base and then trim or conceal them with caulk so the toilet sits flat without stressing the wax ring. For foam gaskets, follow manufacturer torque guidelines because some require a lighter pull-down force than wax rings to maintain their seal. After installation, run a leak test by pouring a bucket of water into the bowl and inspecting the flange area and the base for any seepage, and recheck the closet bolts after the first 24 hours of normal use. Common mistakes include using silicone between the toilet and the flange, which masks leaks and causes rot under the subfloor. So remove the toilet and replace the seal with a wax or foam ring, and only use silicone at the outer cosmetic joint if needed. Another frequent error is over-tightening bolts, which can crack the porcelain and ruin the pan. Use even incremental turns and stop when the bowl is stable and level, replacing cracked bowls rather than trying to seal them. A third issue is relying on caulk alone for stability on uneven floors. Instead, shim with rigid non-absorbent shims. Grout or use a flange extender as required, then caulk only for moisture control, not sealing the wastewater path. We run BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and post and read project experiences that relate to proper toilet sealing and other best practices. We also help contractors find work and join our discussion community so everyone can learn from real installations and troubleshooting.